There was a time about 10 years ago when I took my portfolio to Baxter's factory. It had a recipe for my butterfly soup, my butterfly soup, my butterfly soup. But they said no, 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 we can't do the butterfly soup. So I said, how about this, the Highlanders broth, the Highlanders broth. They loved it so, they loved it so, they loved it so. But the broth was made of moth, I did not tell them. Ha 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 ha. The moth in the broth instead of the butterfly soup. So